Hey y'all, I know it's been a while since I've done an underarm lighting video, but I'm back. So let's go ahead and get into the intro so we can get started. You're now in the number one place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. Now I got that out the way, let's get it. In no particular order, I do want to go over the ingredients we'll be using today. So turmeric powder, of course, is the main ingredient. Lemon, honey, and heavy whipping cream. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then we're going to go in with the heavy whipping cream. I honestly don't really remember. I think that was 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then I used 2 tablespoons of honey. And I ended up using the full lemon, but I just cut the lemon in half. And then I just squeezed out all of the lemon juice. Okay, and then after that, you just mix all of the ingredients together. I would say that I probably could have used just a half of a lemon instead of the full lemon because the consistency was a little runny and I would have liked it to be a little thicker. So that's just something to note in the future. But it is time to apply the mixture or mask. But I want to show you guys what my underarms are currently looking like before we apply the mask. And this is out of my 2 underarms, I feel like my right underarm looks worse than my left underarm. And this is what my left one. See, my left one is not as dark and doesn't have the discoloration like my right armpit or whatever. Comment and let me know if you guys have ever tried to line your underarms or if you even care to line your underarms. I don't know. I mean, this is just something that I'm kind of getting used to, and actually over time, since I don't shave, my underarms have just gradually lightened up on their own. So I mean, if this didn't work for me, I probably would just continue to just do what I've been doing. But like I said, I just want to show you one more time just to see how dark it really is, and it's pretty dark. I know my mom has said she thought I had hair under my arms, and I'm like, girl, I don't grow underarm hair no more. Like, it's just discoloration, but it is what it is. So but anyways, I'm rambling now, talking about nothing. So let's go ahead and apply the mixture. So if you have been under a rock and have never heard anyone talk about turmeric being used to lighten your skin, well, then it's like thousands of videos on YouTube and thousands of articles on Google that you can look up that swear by the benefits of using turmeric that are supposed to help and assist with evening out your skin tone, healing and preventing dry skin. To be honest with you, for the video with the most views on YouTube doing this type of treatment, I feel like it didn't work for me because that mixture called for baking soda, and my armpits reacted so terribly. Since I know that I cannot use any baking soda under my underarms, I replaced it with the heavy whipping cream, and I feel like that is what made a huge difference in my results. Now, obviously, you guys know I already know what my results are because I edited this video already, but this is what my underarms look like after I applied the mixture twice. So I let it dry just a little bit, and then maybe for like 5 minutes, maybe not even that long. And then I went back in and did like another layer or another coat. And then I let that layer stay on my underarms for at least 15 minutes. You can leave it on as long as you like. I mean, I don't think that it'll do anything worse than what it already is going to do, which is going to stain your underarms. So a lot of times people just have to go ahead and get in the shower to get off all of the discoloration or the staining. But I'm used to it now because this is my second time trying a treatment out like this. So I know that kind of messes up your clothes. So make sure you're wearing a shirt that you don't care that gets messed up, because it's going to stain the shirt and everything around it. Your sink, your countertops, your bowl, everything's going to be stained. So all right, so this is what my underarms look like after I applied the mixture. This is day 1. So I don't really see any difference. And then I'm starting to feel like, okay, is this going to be the same thing that happened the first treatment? All right, so we are going into day 2. I did go ahead and put my mixture in the refrigerator, and I just put some saran wrap over it to keep it sealed up. And the one thing about that is that this mixture is super cold now because it's been sitting in the refrigerator. So if you want to let it sit out for a little bit and then apply it, but if you don't care about it being cold, then don't worry about it. So I'm going to go back in and do the same thing I did the day before. Again, allow the mixture to sit under my arms for a few minutes, and then I go back in with a second coat of the mixture. Now, I will let you guys know, I had every intention to try to do this for 3 days again, but life happens, and unfortunately, I could only do this treatment on my underarms for 2 days. But even though I only did it for 2 days, I actually saw a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all my final results, because I didn't get to do it for a third day. But I'll go ahead and leave this on, wipe it off, and then I'll come back and show you guys what my final results look like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting on? Takes 2 seconds. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, comment, and of course, share it. All comments, likes, shares will really help out the channel, and it honestly motivates me to make more content. So help us out. Okay, y'all, so let me know, what do you think? Do you notice a difference? So you'll see the before, which was the start of day 1, what my underarms look like, and then what they look like now. And then the other underarm, I noticed a difference. I noticed that it did look like it was a tad bit lighter, but let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you're going to try this out. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.